Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Pambudi Utomo. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare ride motorcycle properly and correctly. The first step before we ride, we need to always remember to bring the 3 cards when we are riding. The first is our ID card. The ID card is so important. Second is driving license. Third is a vehicle registration certificate. That's why this 3 card is so important. If there is a police check, so we can pass the check from the police. That's why that 3 card is so important. The second step is we need to ready what we wear when we are riding motorcycle. I'm gonna show you what we should wear when we're riding motorcycle. First, we need a jacket. Jacket is important to protect vital parts of your body, like shoulder, elbow, back, and chest. That's why jacket is so important. So we need to wearing jacket when we ride. Second is we need to wear a glove. Glove is important to protect our hand if there is a accident while we're riding. We can reduce the impact from that accident in our hand by wearing a glove. Mask. Why mask is important? The mask is protect us from bad condition of the air. There is helmet. Helmet is reduce injury in case you have an accident while riding. A helmet absorb impact of head injuries. Brain injuries can be fatal, so we need to wear a helmet. We also need to wear a proper shoe. That if we wearing a proper shoe, we can ride it safely, and also we can protect our feet. Yeah, and we can feel safe. That's all. The preparation for riding. That's it, the preparation of riding. Before we ride, we also need to check the condition of our motorcycle so we can ride safely. Let me show you how to check it. We have to prepare the condition of the motorcycle by checking the air pressure of the tire. We must routinely check the condition of the motorcycle at least once in every 3 months. We are ready to ride a motorbike. Ride motorcycle properly and correctly, safe. That's all my procedure, how to prepare ride motorcycle properly and correctly. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.